This is number 37 in Unit 60 of our textbook, where we're asked to determine in A the number of cubic inches contained in the forging and round our answer to the nearest cubic inch. The shape of our base is a trapezoid, so rather than just memorize a trapezoid area formula, we could draw in this altitude to the base from that top corner, and that would break our triangle, or our trapezoid, into a triangle and a rectangle. Well, the way we determine the area of this rectangle is by, of course, taking the length times the width. And that would be equal to 1.52 times the 5.75. The way that we'll determine the area of that triangle is, of course, half base times height. So we need to determine this length here, which would be the full length of 3.9 minus the 1.52 on top. So now to find the area of that triangle, we'll take half base times height, which would be half the length of that piece we just found of 2.38 inches, times the height of that triangle, which would be 5.75 inches. And that triangle turns out to have an area of 6.8425. So now we see that the entire base is made up of the area of that triangle plus the area of that rectangle. So we'll have to add those together to get our total base area. So the area of our base turns out to be 15.5825 square inches. So now the volume of the entire prism can be found by just multiplying that by the height of the prism, which we're told is 23.60 inches. And to the nearest cubic centimeter, that is equivalent to cubic inch, that is equivalent to 161 cubic inches. And that's what they're looking for in A. In B, they want us to find the weight of the forging if we know that each one of those cubic feet is equivalent to 488.5 pounds. So to answer B, we're just going to need to multiply our volume by 488.5. And in calculating this, I did not round my volume of 161. I left it 161.483. So I get a weight to the nearest pound equivalent to 78,884 pounds.